Various communities joined in celebrating Ningol Chakoba across the state with traditional fervor and gaiety, an embodiment of love and unity. And 15 organizations of Manipuri Muslim community carry out mass protest rally at Lilong Bazaar against disintegration of Manipur. A very good evening to you all. I'm Colonel Sambando. I'm presenting you the primetime English news. Now, let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of today. People celebrated Hiyangaigi Nini Panba Ningol Chakoba festival, which is one of the biggest festivals of the Meitei community today, despite dissent on the genuine dead for celebrating the festival this year. Women folks from various communities joined the celebration with traditional fervor and gaiety across the state. However, the rate of feasting was lesser today compared to the previous years. On this day, Meitei married women go to their parental homes for a feast and receive gifts from their parents and brothers. The festival rejuvenates the bond of love between the sibling and other family members. The main visuals of the festival were the traditional luncheon accompanied with chit-chat. Few women, however, did not go to their parental homes for the feast due to death in their families. Old Manipur Ethnical Socio-Cultural Organization MSCO organized 27th Ningol Chakoba Festival at Bright Career Academy in Lamlai today. Women folks from various communities in the state partake in the Ningol Chakoba feast. Speaking on the occasion, MSCO President B.K. Moirangcha said that MSCO has been organizing the event since 1993 with an aim to strengthen ties among various communities. Taking part in the event, social worker Mongjam Poirei Henba Meitei stated that the Ningol Chakoba festival organized by MSCO gives a platform to unite communities residing in the state. Headman of Lai Koi Ching Wungnau Sang Konghai, Chief of Theond Village and Renation, Cabinet Member of Village Wi-Fi, People's Council Northeast India Anik Wi-Fi, Chief of Lai Kot Fahijold Kholo Thang Karam, Sawombung Kabui Kunzao Leader Gungmumai Kame, President of Poirei Lemerald Mairapaibi Apunba Manipur Eld Memchobi and members of various organizations attended the event.
Manipur Lemineva, Kanglu Purukaya Singase, Masi Ekoi, Iamategi, Itininauni, Hybidigi, Wakalon Duda, Tongan Puruki, Isel Imaivel Singasi, Ekoina, Ekoi, Isemani, Isel Mani, Haina, Kalakanuda, Kova, Dumba, Ameskogi, Ningon Chakovani, Tanzasida, Damna Live Activity, Framework Agreement Gikari Lakumatamda, Ekoi Mu, Wakal Singasi, Nupisu, Nupasu, Adu Layumayam Singase Yamna, Tongan Charano, Wakalamaka Pauli, Framework Agreement Gi Peace Talk, I have a Peace Talk, say Masi, Ekoi Wakaladi, Peace Talk, Yamna Santi, Mipa, Ing Tapadu, Malevak Lam, the Mama Purana with the Makta, Semaduma Peace Talk, Nadu, High Sigi Peace Talk City, Peace, P-I-E-C-E, Peace, Machet, Tong to Wai, none of the Makta, Semaduma Peace Talk.
I sing the Labana, Tragatam, the Labana, Amana Tongan from the Lake, Hibagidamaka Tongan, Maming, the Zati sings, Kaidogasu, Ekoi Manipur, Hairaga, Apun Amato in Ladami, Hibadu, Madu Unabagidamaka, Amadi, Akoi, Kudimak, Sisana, Amadi, Tanguletana, Hinginanabe, the Makta, Ekoi, a singing on Sakoba, Kudinga, Mescona, Sako, Duna, see Ekoi, Apunbagi, Sigumba, Isi, Momo, Pagiweba, Adugumba, Nungairaba, Amasi, Mayamda. Pangthoktuna mayamda uthoknaba maram oiraga ngasi ekoi makha taba akoi tungi pusi dasu akoi khudingmak amatoina hingminaba ngamnabagi damakta pangthoksabani
hara harau potnana dana aduga akoi moinu porak para harau koigi sumoida tambibkiba MSCO na changelakpasa zikimati thagatningai ni hojiksu akoi luk khudingma akoi civil organization khudingbagna akoi bharot sarkar NHIM ga santi wadi sida kaigumba manipur gi saktam je kai nanaba oira agadi akoi manipur da akoi June 18 थोखिबदो अदुदगी हेना शिबकीदना खोंजंग चंगसलक्पा दिलु खुदिमंगना सेम चारे.
Women attendees appreciated MSCO for organizing the feast and for giving them a chance to interact with each other.
Hello, tuan kau so mo konja mamang da suya kore koi nungai ba phawi bungo mayam tahi khudingi mayam jati mayam la pochil la pai se yam nungai
mingna hana kowe laiphamna prompat dishi no yorok pas ahan bane nungai ba so phawe jati khai da bida adum pulap laiminaraga nushina khunda minaba adu pamje Manipur se ingna santi da laiminaba imam tagi machani haiba rom da adum pamje
to nai hoi ko lai kot phaiol de mamang da su yaw khre hoi yangai pokpi da asumai lak pa se akhoi ge wakhal da kari haisra yamna nungai ba nungsi ba haiba tare ko akhoi amaga asmuk nungsi nei haiba gi pandam ama aduma akhoi da lai jaba ko phawba nungsi bu da phawba
mema kaira wangkhemdagi chingmi tami silena akhoi jati punong pullaga akhoi sumaina apun bagida ningon sakongni hasi tabasida akhoi adogi matik nungai ba habadi ai sarukse nungai ba sarukse mipum khuding makta su ai hajana ba sumba jam tangdi yaujage na ina khanbu jam kuirabane ba aduna sina maram moiraga ngasi mafamsida laibane.
Old Manipur Students Union AMSU also held Ningol Chakoba celebration upholding the unity and integrity of Manipur at AMSU office in Thangmaiban today. Women folks from various communities of Manipur had Ningol Chakoba luncheon together at the event. Attendees lauded AMSU for organizing the inclusive Ningol Chakoba event. Speaking to media, AMSU President Peter Leishram reiterated that the Students' Union will face any threat to the territorial integrity and unity of Manipur.
Manipur gi khwai lem janingai oirba Ningol Chakobu numit asida chimi tammi khaidana machal macha singbu AMSU gi ibungsingna toina kaubiraga Ningol Chakobi base pukning yam nungsiba phawi yam nungai je
yamna harau jai pukning de yamna nungai ba phau jai aduga chingmi tammi khoi maitai pangan khaidana sumaina punna kaubi base khoi amatta oibagi khudamni habado aingi thamoi da thamjaninge
chingmi tammi khaida bida sumaina tribe aingonda su Ningol Chakobu kaubse yam nungai
jati khudimmakta gi laiba ngasi laiba singsi maitai Uncle sing yaure singi nagagi kuki gi tu community singi nushijarbai gi inau sing mai roi sing asi puminna bana maram oirakanda he na chesima mari amakak la kanda framework agreement na sina maram oirakanda ekoi amatu ina phire lemina rakanda ningol singna ibung ipa sing sida yai popaujen piramba ka loina na ekoi chesina lepakanda ekoi gi Manipur gi kanglop asi kai bi ya de ko hai ba chesina phire do lesson ni namakta saruk ya jabani
Ningol Chakoba na lakpa numit asida landam asida khundaminari ba kanglop furup punamak Ningol singbu iche chan singbu takok jabasida harau tayamba nungaiba adugum mayamsu lamdam sida puraknaba amadi akhoi amatani habagi wakhalonda sagachaduna chimi tami khaidana adugum amatani habi wakhalonda sagachariba harau na saksara am chaminaraga leijaba khudol khara kachaduna harau tayamba minoktuna lamdam sida miyamda harau tayamba nungaiba amadi unity oba nuksi chanaba adugumba lamdam purakpo ersunu framework of agreement na nuksi chanana suan laiminaraba iramdamsa kaidongunda sokpe yaroi kaidongda thugaibe yaroi sia si Manipur miyamda thamoi da power level wakhalon amni aduna nuksinana laiminariba furu kanglu punapu thugainaba silakpa honarakpa khudimakta di leppa leitana thengnagani nuksinagi gani thugairapa khudimakto adu loi namthagani.
Indigenous Minority Socio-Cultural Organization Manipur and United People's Front Manipur jointly organized Chingtam Ningol Chakoba with traditional fervor and gaiety today. Impact News reporter Lalpal Wahengbam and camera person Suvash Sharma bring you an exclusive report in this regard.
I know Zila Jerry Pomosi, Palace Compound Labor, Ibuema Sumana, Sanglendani. Mapamasida, Indigenous Minority Socio-Cultural Organization, IMSCO, Amasung, United People's Front, Manipur UFM, and Inakosan Naduna. Manipur Gitongan Hamda, Singam Sutam, the Kundariba, Prup Singi, Ningol Sing, Sakobugi, Singtam, Ningol Sakawi, Toram Pantokli. Taramasida, Manipur Madingo Semba Sana Zauba, Mahakna, Atomitil Oidana, Labdamasigi, Singum Sutam de Ladiba, Ningol Singbu, Puruki Canalatan Sakoba, Toram Pantok Pasida, Ningol Wishing Tamoida, Amadin Togi Tamoida, Garip how we have the Kaminashi.
Ngasigi Sakoba says Sumna Kaki, Equi Sakar Saminaba, Kudol Porkarpiba, Madom the Satpiganu. Nupa over sinset, Lakoi sing the Suishanu, Tam the Sons labor sing said, Lady Ningol sings Ibung Paga, the name can be aduga sing dam sung tam da leiba piba oi bai khoi na sune leiba sing tam gi leiba ningol sing je khoi gi isal ni khoi gi ise ni ima ni ine na khoi na dumai na khoi khanjage ima ibel sing leiba ningol sing na leibak sigi damakta tungi porom yengaga khoi gi masa mana oi ba mabung ba oi ba sing khoi gi wakhal tahan bi ba sangi nungai ra ba kumhai asina lakwa da sahi khuding ge khoi sidagi hen hen ai khoi kanglup purup suna khoi punna sami na si punna khoi awaba matang lai punna thengna mi na si nungai ba matang lai khoi punna saru ya mi na si aduga lamdam sigi damakta khoi punna lemi na dala mabung mapa oi bagi dugma nuksi nipun nuksi mari ase atam leba khibikta numit thana leba makai mase khoi manghan gumsi
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯀꯞꯅꯤꯡꯕꯁꯨ ꯐꯣꯡꯂꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯅꯥꯒꯥꯅꯤ ꯅꯥꯒꯥꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯅꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥꯗ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯠ ꯁꯝꯅꯅ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯌꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯥ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯊꯝꯃꯤ
ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯤꯉꯣꯜ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯣꯏꯔꯦꯡ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕꯅꯦ ꯌꯨꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯀꯧꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯃꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯌꯦ ꯏꯊꯟꯗ ꯀꯞꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁꯅꯥ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯁꯦ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯆꯥꯎꯍꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯦ ꯀꯥꯏꯕ ꯁꯨꯡꯌꯥ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ
ꯅꯤꯉꯣꯜ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯀꯧꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯥꯠ ꯁꯨꯅ ꯇꯤꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯎꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯔꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯔꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯐꯥꯎꯖꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯤ ꯏꯄꯥ ꯏꯃꯥꯅ ꯄꯣꯛꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯅꯤꯉꯣꯜ ꯄꯤꯕꯥꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯁꯥꯈꯤ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯅꯤꯉꯣꯜ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯐꯪꯖꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯇꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯄꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗꯁꯨ ꯐꯥꯎꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯑꯃꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯅꯤ ꯂꯥꯞꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯃꯆꯦꯠ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯅ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯍꯟꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯨ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯄꯥꯎꯖꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯤ
ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧꯅ ꯀꯧꯕꯤꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯀꯨꯀꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯌꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯦ ꯀꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯆꯤꯡꯃꯤ ꯇꯝꯕꯤ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯑꯃꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯤꯡꯖꯦꯜ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯂꯥꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯁꯤ ꯂꯦꯞꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯤꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ
ꯀꯕꯨꯏ ꯃꯥꯗꯔ ꯑꯦꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯗ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯉꯣꯜ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯅꯦ ꯆꯤꯡꯇꯝ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯗꯔ ꯑꯦꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯃ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯃ ꯈꯟꯅꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯗꯕ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯁꯥꯎꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯍꯟꯕ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯉꯥꯡꯅꯤꯡꯉꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯔ ꯈꯨꯝꯕꯤꯗꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯄꯤꯁꯐꯨꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯄꯨꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯄꯨꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯠꯐꯣꯝꯗ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯄꯨꯟ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕꯗ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯄꯨꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯎꯖꯦꯜ ꯄꯤꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯃꯆꯥꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯧ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯕꯁꯨ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯕꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯠꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯅꯗꯤ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯣꯈꯥꯏ ꯇꯣꯈꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯒꯅꯨ ꯇꯣꯜꯂ ꯇꯥꯔꯕꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯃ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯂꯩꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯗꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯥ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯆꯦꯠꯅ ꯂꯧꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯤꯃꯠꯇ ꯇꯣꯈꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯅꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯐꯪꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯥꯖꯩ
ngasi pangthokliba singtam ningol chakobagi thoram asina Manipur khunda miniriba chimi tami animak amatani haiba mayek singna takli loina chakobagi thoram asida sawyaba lakliba tongan tongan fruit singi ningol wi singna Manipur gi apun bisaktam ngaktuna thamba pamli Impact News ki tamak palum jariba lal pawl hem goloina camera person Subhash Sharma Impact News Imphal.
Welcome back. Jiripam district also celebrated Ningol Chakoba festival despite dissent on the genuine date for celebrating the festival this year. Married women went to their parental home along with their children for a feast and received gifts from their parents and brothers. 7th Ningol Kudol Kam one-day conference on persons with disabilities empowerment was held at the indoor hall of Standard College in Kongbu Market today. Manipur State Legal Services Authority and District Legal Services Authority in Fal West jointly organized the conference under the Age of Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Able Persons, Manipur. Former Khetrigao MLAs Muhammad Amin Saha, President of Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Able Persons, Manipur, P. Gopendro, NCUI-PSS Chairperson Gina Potsangbam and many eminent persons attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Advocate Est Manorama urged the peoples to uplift differently able persons and let them excel in various aspects.
ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯥꯏꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯦꯝꯅ ꯇꯦꯡꯕꯥꯡ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯄꯤꯔꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯦꯡꯕꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯅꯗꯦ ꯇꯦꯡꯕꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯈꯔ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯏ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯂꯦꯝꯅ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ Schedule caste, schedule tribe ama yare adu khoi general da hairagana akhoi chahi amada lupa lakh ahumdagi ta thokpa income phangba income oigadaba adu mamioi da lawba yare Manipur State Legal Services Authority na piriba ain gi oina piriba lem na piriba tengbang se Manipur da lairiba mioi kanglup khudimak na si tengbang se lawba yaba kanglup ta chanboi tadi lawbiu
Governor Dr. Najma Haptullah has greeted the people of Manipur, especially the married women folks, on the joyous occasion of Ningol Chakoba. In her message, the governor stated that Ningol Chakoba is a unique festival that strengthens the bond of affection between brothers and sisters. Chief Minister Nongthoman Birain and Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Yumnam Khemchand wished people of Manipur a joyous Ningol Chakoba.
Yamna pungling nungsinangai weba aduga yamna pithibigi jati punamona tamjaningai weba chanabi machine mokpa mama mapa ga sahi amada unabagi tanja sida jati singi marakta singamani tamda leminariba dharma gi khenaba leijaragashu imamatagi masa oina huminaraklaba ikhoi masel nungsi chanana amato oina leiba ngambagi sakti adu handaki ningol chakoba na lakpasida ningol singi adugumba blessing ado pibiramgani meyam punamak ingna sikna nungsi chanana amato oina leminaba oiba Manbiu haidna isorani jebagi paujel si ai media gi khuthangda mafam punamakta prithibi mafam punamakta tariba manipuri sing aduga manipur da tariba singamani tamna leiriba manipuri punamakta paujel si pijari
manipuri jati gi oiba ningon singna yum pangraganda ningon chakoba haidna mabung singna machan singbu nungsibiduna ningsingduna sei kutingi pangtubogum handaksu ningol chakobu sin lakpasingda mabung mapa nusinabagi mari hena phakatpa amadi lebak ingna chingna palasanu haina wis tawjari
yamna pungning nungsinangai.
Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen also wished the people of the state on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba today. Speaking to media at her Lumphel quarter, Minister Nemcha Kipgen wished for the festival to strengthen the bond of love and affection between brothers and sisters and bring a prosperous and harmonious society.
Ningol Chakoba Namit na lakpada mabung amadi machalgi henna nungsinabagi lipun adu purak pa oirasunu maru oina nupi angang singda chathaba makhal makha kayagi crime sing adu amuka hanna thoktaba oirasunu.
CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam also greeted the people of Manipur on the joyous occasion of Ningol Chakoba. Speaking to media at Lilong Chajing Karam, CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam lauded the women of the state for taking major roles in fighting various issues of the state. He wished for the festival to bring peace and unity in the state.
Imaibil Sinsi Maruina, like Paki issue, Lagpakanda, quite a get over diet alone, a Tolotana, the Chong Torok and Honover say, Masi Malem da Tango or Ngani Haina Kali, Masi Danta Sautok say, Aduga Imaibil Singi Tonabo, a quay, Cutting Mana, Nupa Weber, Cutting Mana, Kai Kumnabaga Luinana, Matam Supada, Moigi Izat Sanman, Aduga Mokoi the Minung Siga Luinana, Luina Gadavani Hibase, a Minister Moina. Manipur
President of BJP Manipur Pradesh Kam Rajya Sabha MP K. Babananda also greeted the people of Manipur on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba. Directorate of Fisheries held Ningol Chakoba Fish Fair at NCC ground on DM College campus today. Impact News reporter R.C. Mangangcha and camera person Yohen Arambam bring you an exclusive report in this regard.
Directorate of Fisheries na sahi kunjingi chinbagum handak sahi gi oina su DM College campus da leiba NCC ground da nga gi mela pangtholi nga leiba lagliba miam amasung nga yoliba nganmi singi Wakalonda nga maila siga mari leina kari leibage habdu miam khaminasi tangsida aina haijaning badi Hogi melaji saruk yabajida isagi tonganba senpham je kaya kya mukti tan bangam ge adung tang thaibiu
Miam hena tan bangam banate da koi di montara mu daidi kidang adumaina purak panina ko rupala amma makai mukumba adumaina yaubo yogdo boi tawungba adumaina dang oi
kiji kya mu lebira
nga kiji se ai nei jeri sne pengba ne kiji ani masing kun nga khoi se ningon yam yame ar pengba am leire rau leire adi nga hi am leire simangai da
hayeng ji chako chapi doro
hayeng chatoi
Sako bula pati ningol mo ina kari isada kari ihulda kari phawi bo genta habiu
ningol mo ina chako bula pasidi akoi su ningol ni na nungai bo phawe hai tare
pangbiri je koi men oina tilipia yaure ko tunhanbi aduga rau yaure aduga hoji ki silver cup leire asini
kiji da kya thabiri no
kiji da hoji ki tilipia se na 250 da aduga rau na chama ga tara aduga silver cup na chama yang khain dum tauri
kailam dila pi bno dum da khaji
ai koi je hoji se chadong da gine chadom dam ma phau dam da gine adu prokne ningol kumna laga chak ko ba kum se ai di am pam ni pam me ai koi tangkol di adu kum da leite adu bu mei te di masik se kwai digi nungsi ba ko tawda ba thapak ne ku ju masidi tawda ba thapak ne na khalle
2022 da akoi putok chali ko putok akoi bi fa ibe mayam na
2022 da soidna akoi Manipur kida akoi self sufficient asi putok ngangani ai bi si honorable chief minister na suhaikre haiba ga loina na mama san so ngasi ko chi yam thawai yona fishery department chi yam na initiative laudana cooperation piraga man yam kanna phonri
handaki stall phamijin masing kaya no adu target chinga sagi 90000 target side dum jobu ngamdori bra adu ka dangu thambi
koi mamang che 95 stalls ne anta mukina 131 stalls ne adu na 90000 ki target se koi ngamgani dum thazari haji phawde
Haribo ngagi mela asida lamdom sigi jelongwei gi nga habdi ngamu ngakra ukabi na chingba asumlaba jamna jelongwei na pamna sanarappa nga makhal adu puthopgi sangdi jamna hanthaki amaromda indigenous nga oriba pengba ngaton khabak na chingba nga di marang kaina puthoktuna lamdom sigi miyamda maruoina hayeng pangthokkodoriba ningol chakokba gi numit asida miyamda mapung phana phanganbagi achoba khudongchaba amdi miyan phangnaki
अतुवे nga topa kari thai nga kari kari phange kot ke sigine khune luxury je mela sido na di
ningol chakoba lakpa matam jida mabung mapa mo oina kari yaipho pokje piningi miyam de kari hainingi du kitang thambi
adu budi khoi gi lamdam sigi oina haraga di santi leina jingol chakoba se lakpada ko mayam nusi sanana leibo resunu haina da hajaningi
kari ngaro sida jombiri jibo
Khabak ne khabak ibon.
Kiji kaya mo kan to bibuno sibo ka phambi.
Keji mogda ka mga pore.
Kiji da kaya thabiri no.
Jamni yang kaya juga moi na pisa ni gumba hung gumba di mana kara dum jenga thai.
Iche ichal gumba sako bugi ka tharong ka pangthok biro tro.
Pangthok bigani tangani do in sakjirage.
Ngasi pangthok liba nga gi mela asida director of fisheries na lepki ga nga gi mamal asi lupa sani dagi haurga lupa satru ka yang kai phawbugi mamal lepki masigi manungda lamda masigi jelhonga oriba pengba khabak amasung ngatun hariba nga sing asina mamal kwaidagi wangna jonba nga oiki
Pengba ne.
Kiji da kaya kumai thabi ge.
Kilo da 450 thai.
Kiji kya mu pubira puno kaya sit khrake kaya mu jon ge ga na isana lakpi puno do hai.
Kilo je 600 nung purok pune bako. Adu zik market se tangkhai am ki sang di sati re.
Fishery department sinbiriba khoi mafam sidai da tawri je yam nungai jade amarom da karigino haibda lampak si laikom ngakdang ngai bi chatpam lakpam khangdre.
Loina nga stol sam kuntra na saru yaduna pangthok kiba nga gi mela asida saru yakiba fishery director amasung fishery minister na lakadur ba kumja lisingani ga kunithoi phawbugi manungda Manipur na mapanda gi nga pusilpa leptuna masagi oiba tungan ma nga puthok jaduna lamdabisigi miyamda nga marang kaina pijagani haina wasak thamliba asi nga pu ngangwadoriba loina na sabsana nga puthokpa ngangwadoriba haibadudi miyamna ngaminaba tari camera person Johan Aramangal loina na pagdom jariba RC Mangangcha Impact News Imphal.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on mass protest rally carried out by 15 Muslim organizations against disintegration of Manipur. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. 15 Muslim organizations, including MMWO, AMMSO, Anjumand, ALADA, AMMDO, Lipuld, AMMDC, PFI and ASPO carried out a mass protest rally at Lilong Bazaar in Thoubal district today against any harm to the territorial integrity of Manipur by the conclusion of Indo-Naga peace talks. The rally, which started at around 12 noon, went in and around Lilong Bazaar on Indo-Burma Road. A police team led by Thoubal District Police Additional SP Law and Order T.A.S. Disorjit and OC of Lilong Police Station O. Ajit prevented the protesters from marching ahead at Lilong Bazaar and permitted only few leaders to submit a memorandum to the Chief Minister. Speaking to media in front of the Chief Minister's bungalow after submitting the memorandum, MMWO President Fundreimayum Abdullah said that they welcomed the finalization of the peace talks, but they will not remain silent if the finalization affect the territorial integrity of Manipur. Urging the Chief Minister to fulfill his assurance given to the organizations earlier, Abdullah declared that Muslim organizations of the state will support the statewide ceased work strike called by Kokomi on the 31st of October.
ngasi honorable semna thambiri ofam masi thab oiba adumak pami masi gisda khoi thamai jan bo en bataragadi mado tholakado sequence mayam do masi gisi tasengna chinsi da khoi panjaning dre tasengna jun 18 da laikhida ba trai pando madugi laman se akhoi gi Manipur miyamna sing oi hangai lete tasengna madugi singakani ha ba se ngasi government of India amasung akhoi honorable sem MLA humpumakna ai masi khangbi gadawni MLA humpu mak tang kunthra ma thoi mamang Delhi chat pibam sangi akhoi kholau su MLA humpu Delhi chatlu haibni masti political gi khela ba thambi gano di kokomi na miyam lusingi eba karigumba pumiyang sentiment sokpa amadi Manipur gi integrity gi da akai ba masi ohela pata gadi miyam na lusing grane ba matam kokomi na madoi daka ai miyam sibo control to bunga bana tranga si so sing na miyam bu control to bung ngambai thak leiroi out of control da akhoi miyam sing chatkini habsa masi sik tangai phadana khangbi ba sangi.
Protest demonstrations were also carried out at Jiribam district today against threat to Manipur by the culmination of Indo-Naga peace talks. All Jiribam Muslim Welfare Society organizations the sit-in at Lalpani. Protesters used various placards which read "Solved NSC and I am peace talk without touching Manipur. Bring solutions, not problems. Do not break Manipur. Long live Manipur," etc. An 18-member team led by President of JDU Manipur State Unit Hangkhanpao Taithuld has left Imphal for Delhi to meet the party national president Nitish Kumar to urge him to protect the territorial integrity of Manipur from the impending threat by the possible culmination of Indo-Naga peace talks between the Indian government and NACN-IM. Speaking to media at JDU Manipur office in New Chekon today, Party Chief General Secretary Maishnam Dorendro disclosed that they will table their concern at the JDU National Council meeting to be held tomorrow. He maintained that the team will also urge the Prime Minister and the Home Minister about the same. JDU Manipur State Unit also greeted women folks of Manipur on the joyous occasion of Ningol Chakoba Festival.
India partner amoina JDU side takisu kanna khoi honorable Prime Minister, honorable Home Minister na singbada takshan view loina na nakal amakhaktagi oina hiangaga thabak paikat piganu Manipur Prajagi jati khudimaki oina tungi oiba punsida kaidanaba tungi integrity da soktanaba thabak lokhatbada khoi mateng panghanbiu mateng pangbiu haina khoi honorable Prime Minister, honorable Home Minister takshan view हाइबदु अखोगी जेदुगी मनपुर स्टेट नुगी तरफतगी हाइजगी हाबगी मोंगदा कोई चसगदबनी कुमसी चाहि होइना निंगोन चाखौबगी थौरमसिगी मनपुरदा लेबिरिबा चनेसि पुनमक्ता जनता दल यूनाइटेड मनपुर की तरफतगी एफे पाउजेल बिजरी
Thazabasingi Apunba Maitai Singi Oiba Ithodang Thamoi, an organization comprised of members from the Maitai and Christian communities, has warned to fight against any threat to the territorial integrity of Manipur by the culmination of Indo-Naga peace talks. Speaking to media at Thamoi office in Wangjing Tenta today, organization secretary A. Robindro Maitai warned of intense agitation if the conclusion of the ongoing peace talks even harmed the time immemorial integrity of Manipur. Manipur State Sumang Lila Council has indefinitely postponed its proposed general body meeting of 31st October. Speaking to media at Iboyaima Sumang Lila Sanglen today, lifetime secretary of Manipur State Sumang Lila Council, Shogragpam Hemanta, said that the meeting has been cancelled owing to the prevailing situation in the state.
Sumang Lila Council ki general body meeting tang kudrama thoi October se sida pangthoken na tawjaram adubu numera simakta da leibaki irang mari leinana kokomina ban kaugiduna maram warakanda koi yaithok taba tangai phadaba yaithok tia dadana yaithwe aduna karma matamda tawgadage haibidudi koi makha taba am warib narakanda lemnaba tare aduna Manipur State Sumang Lila Council ki makha da leiriba lila party khudima yaugdoriba nominee khudimak singdo aduga artist khudimak singdo tang kudrama thoi tawgudeba meeting si yaithwe aduna karma matamda tawgadage aise anouba
Janet Academy has strongly condemned Nauria Pakhang Lakpa MLA Soibam Subhash Chandra for rebuking the academy and its student Muhammad Ismat, who has secured All India first rank in Class 12 examination conducted by CVSE. Speaking to media at the school campus in Sangaipuro today, Secretary of Janet Academy, Atul Leishemba, said that MLA Subhash Chandra criticized Janet Academy during a recent function of UNESCO school Maitram. He warned of filing a defamation lawsuit against the MLA if he failed to clarify the matter.
da ngangba wangang moinasu khoina khale aduna mana minority amasung jinipu atamnana khogi singnabagi moongda mahagna oidaba prachar kya ama tawrabanina magi mathakta ekhoi smart amasung jinipu soanbagi dama khoina defamation case ama ekhoi thangalagani masigi dama MLA Subhash Chandra sem saduna leibiu haiduna haijeri aduna karigumba sida akhoina Janet Academy na lalam taragadi khoi Subhash Chandra na haiba khudima khoi ingani Subhash Chandra na haiba taw haiba khudimu tawge adu karigumba mana karigumba maithiba taragadi mak moren gaon da mak pham thadokpiu aduga haiba si lebak miyam khangna akhoi punna khangminna bagi mathau adu tare na haijeningi.
More than 100 trucks are stranded along Jotsoma bypass in Kohima on National Highway number 2 due to landslide. The route is in a deplorable condition since the last 20 days and it might again take another 20 to 30 days to repair the road. Drivers and handymen of the 100 stranded trucks are facing immense plight owing to the situation. All Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union has been extending assistance to them since yesterday. Principal Secretary Health and Family Welfare's Bhumlungmang Vulnam IAS today inaugurated a health and wellness center at PHC Sagang. The newly renovated two-bedded center, each for male and female, can now perform operations and conduct 43 free tests under the supervision of 5 doctors. There are currently 5 sub-centers under PHC Sagang. Speaking on the occasion, Vumlungmang Vulnam urged staff of the center to be sincere in their duties. He stressed the need to maintain cleanliness and to take care of the equipment provided by the government at the center. Vumlungmang also called upon to create health awareness with active community participation for overall well-being. Director, Health and Family Welfare, Dr. K. Rajo, Additional Director, Health Services, Dr. K. Shashikumar Mangang, Churchandpur DC Pawan Yadav, IAS, center staffs and many villagers attended the event.
Even from Government of India, cleanliness has become so important that they have started a national level award called the Kayakal Award. It is all about cleanliness. How we keep the rooms clean, how we keep the instruments clean, how we keep our compound clean, how we manage the biomedical waste properly. So the Kayakal Award is in fact a recognition of importance of cleanliness.
Volunteers of People for Animal Manipur have tended an Amur falcon with broken wings in Imphal East. Numerous Amur falcons have reached Nagaland state and Tamalang district of Manipur on their migration route from Siberia and China towards South Africa. It may be mentioned that the state government has been taking various measures to save the species. Koishnamd Vasanta from the Kurai Ningthaubung found the injured bird near his residence while he was out for a walk. Wildlife officials are currently treating the bird at People for Animal Shelter. Junior National Judo Championship will be held at KD Singh Babu Stadium in Lucknow from December 1st to 5. Manipur Judo Association in a press release appealed to those interested to take part in the selection trial for the championship to be held at Kumalam Park Indoor Stadium at 8 a.m. on 3rd of November. The Department of Youth Affairs and Sport will organize Rashtriya Ekta Divas Run for Unity at Kumalam Park Sports Complex at 7 a.m. on 31st of October. Yas Department in a press release also informed that Chief Minister Nong Thombam Biren, Yas Minister Letpao Haukip and Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham will grace the event. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Various communities joined in celebrating Ningol Chakoba across the state with traditional fervor and gaiety and embodiment of love and unity. And 15 organizations of Manipuri Muslim community carried out mass protest rally at Lilong Bazaar against disintegration of Manipur.